Hello you guys, this is just going to be a quick little review of the JVC HD EVERIO GZ-HM35 camcorder. I purchased this on Black Friday on sale for $119. So this camcorder films in full HD video 920 by 1080. It holds SD cards, has an HDMI slot, 40 times optical zoom, face detection, and built-in stabilizer, which can come in very handy. One downside for me is the battery life. It takes about 1 hour and 50 minutes to charge, and it only lasts 40 minutes, which really sucks. So now let's see what's on the outside of the camcorder. So over here on the top we have 40 times optical zoom and black illuminated CMOS. Then we have the zoom in, zoom out on the bottom, and the eye auto means like auto focus sort of. I was just charging it because the battery life sucks, but that's where you charge it. On the back is the record button right here. It has the EVERIO logo. Here it says SDXC. Here is the lens cover, which is really cool. Protects that lens, and a handle strap. So now on the bottom we have, let me turn it this way. Alright, so on the bottom we have the SD cards on the bottom, where you can put in your SD card, and there is mine right there. And then we just have the camcorder model and stuff like that, and the tripod mount. This is to open the battery. So right here it just says full HD, JVC, and AVC HD. On the lens, let it focus there. It says, I'm sorry, the autofocus takes a while. Okay, it's probably gonna focus while I'm reading it to you. It just says Konica Mono LTA HD lens, and there's, I'm pretty sure it's just the size of the lens, and it says 40 times optical zoom and JVC. Here is the microphone, and yeah. So the inside, at the top we have the play button, up, down, OK info. There on the bottom, that's to plug into your computer, and the HDMI to plug into your TV. Then there is the menu button and the AV input or output. I would show you test footage of it, but it doesn't upload to YouTube on this camcorder, and that's why I purchased a Sony Bloggy Touch. That's what I'm recording with, but yeah. Overall, this camcorder is really amazing and well worth the price. And I definitely recommend this to a friend or family member or just anyone. So that's about it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And I will see you in the next video. And yep, thanks for watching. Bye.